how to reset YouTube settings on mobile for a fresh start. So if you want to reset your YouTube settings on your mobile for a fresh start, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your YouTube application. After launching your YouTube, on the bottom, you will have all of these options, right? So you just need to simply go with your profile, which will be on the bottom. From your profile, you need to go with your account. Tap on your account or tap on view channel, or tap on accounts, which will be on the top, and go with your Google account. Tap on manage your Google account. You'll get this kind of interface. You need to tap on data and privacy. And you need to scroll down a bit and then you will find an option of YouTube history. Tap on YouTube history or tap on manage history. Now, as you can see that YouTube saves videos that you've watched. For example, you can see several videos listed or checked. So in order to reset your YouTube settings on your mobile, what you need to do is just simply go with the top right, which has that delete option. And here you need to just simply go and delete the watch history for a specific date range or for just today or delete all time. And this will effectively reset your YouTube history. And if you would like to delete a specific video or activity from a certain period, you can use the delete option, which will be on the right side. Go with a cross and it will be deleted. That's how you can reset your YouTube settings on your mobile for a fresh start. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.